Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 1st August. Some of the important events happened on 1st August in history which all of us must know. So let's have a look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Patience and silence are two powerful energies. Patience makes you mentally strong, silence makes you emotionally strong. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which year on this day non-cooperation movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in India? Answer 1920. Question number 2. Which Indian freedom fighter died on this day in 1920? Who was the first leader of independence movement in India who had given the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was considered by the British as father of Indian unrest. Question number 3. Which Indian actress popularly known as Tragedy Queen born on this day in 1933 is remembered for her films Phool Aur Patthar, Sahib Bibi Aur Gulam, Pakiza, etc.? Answer Meena Kumari. Question number 4. Which year on this day Indian Airlines was established by merging of 8 pre-independence airlines Deccan Airways, Airways India, Bharat Airways, Himalayan Aviation, Kalinga Airways, Indian National Airways, Air Services of India and Domestic Wings of Air India? Answer 1953. Question number 5. Which year on this day National Book Trust was inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer 1957. Question number 6. Who became the first woman commercial pilot of India on this day in 1975? Who was the first female pilot of Indian Airlines in 1956? Answer Durba Banerjee. Question number 7. Which Bengali English writer died on this day in 1999? Whose notable works are Passage to England, To Live or Not to Live, Culture, In the Vanity Bag, Hinduism a Religion to Live by? Answer Nirad C. Chaudhary. Question number 8. Which country won Asia Cup Cricket defeating India on this day in 2004? Answer Sri Lanka. Question number 9. Which year on this day India got 3 bronze in International Mathematics Olympiad organized in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam? Answer 2007. Question number 10. Which city of Pakistan was established as capital of Pakistan on this day in 1960, replacing previous capital of Pakistan, Karachi? Answer Islamabad. Question number 11. Which company presented its first manufactured jeep for use by United States Army on this day in 1941? Answer Willys Overland Motors. Question number 12. Which English chemist discovered oxygen on this day in 1774? Answer: Joseph Priestley. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.